The sum formula is one of the basic functions that you will use to total points for students. As you can see, here is Quest 1, and this information is being pulled in from another sheet, the Quest 1 sheet. And now I want to add it plus all of the other ones that will be entered in JKL and so forth. To sum those together, I click equals, then type the word sum, parentheses, and now I start typing in the cell names. I2 plus, J2 plus, K2 plus, L2, and so on. End parentheses when I'm done, and hit enter. And you will see that as soon as I do that, 30, which is the amount in I, shows up. This only works if you enter each cell individually. I can, if I enter it as a range, watch what happens. I2 to L2, hit enter, and you'll see nothing. Nothing is showing up because the number is being shown as a value from a formula, and the range will not add each of those up as formulas. It will only do it if you enter the information manually. And there it is.